All right, everybody. Give you a little update on the building. I'm on my phone, so here's where I'm at. Got all the framing done. I've been pulling wire, as you can see, and probably, as you can see, it's hot. The last 4 days I've been up here, the forecast was for 102 to 103, and it's been 107. And it's humid, and it's working on me pretty hard. But just so you see, like I said, I've been pulling wire. Got pretty much most of the plumbing done. I got to set my shower. Got a couple of toilet boxes left to do. All the wires are pulled in the living area. Got all my wiring pulled in all my living area, pantry, throughout the kitchen, all my living area. That's where my TV's gonna go. Bedroom's pulled, bathroom's all pulled. This bedroom's all pulled. So what I've been pulling, wire through the ceiling, and up there in the rafters, as you can see, I've been pulling wire. Up there in the rafters, it's like 110 to 115. Got all my wires I'm pulling up there. So started doing some drops across. That drop up there is from a dishwasher. So, but that's a little update. Let's go outside, where it's really hot in the sunshine. Give you a look. The building, I got my garage doors installed. This is what it looks like. Let me get out here where you can see the building. I don't know, it's been a while since I did an update. This is the front side of the building. And I'm gonna come out later, 24 foot out with an awning on this side. And on this side, I'm gonna come out 12 foot, and then we're gonna concrete it all up. Walk around to the back real quick. Oh, I got my septic system in. You can see my septic system right there. Here's the back of the building. Let me get backed up here where you can see. There's the back of the building. My meter box. Oh, where is my meter box? Right there. And the little box you see is the disconnect for my AC that's going out here, my central air. But yeah, there's clean out right there for the toilet out of the shop. And then my septic runs right there to the septic system. So, that's kind of where I'm at. I think one more, man, if it was just cooler, I could work longer, but it gets so hot. I think probably 2 more days of pulling wire, and all the wire in the living area will be done. All the home runs will be pulled. That's what I'm pulling now, is the home runs. I think 2 more days I'll have all of that done, because I can't work until about 2. It's 100 degrees at 6 foot in the air right this minute. And it's going to be 103 outside today, which means it'll be 107 inside easy. So I'm about to shut down and call it quits and go to the house. But that's where I'm at. As soon as I get the all the living area pulled, then I got to pull all the stuff for the shop. I got to pull all my outlets. I'm going to have a couple of 220 outlets. I got one over there for the air compressor. I'm putting my air compressor over there. I'm going to put a 220 outlet over here on that wall for my welder, and over here in the corner for my welder. And then I'll have a bunch of 110s all the way around. So that's the plan. Oh, I got my wood in. That's all my shiplap. Well, that's not all of it. That's probably half of what I'm gonna need. And I have most of my appliances, my wall oven for my wife, my toilets, my stove is over there. I know what's over there. Wall oven, the toilets, the outside air conditioning, and the dishwasher is over there. My inside air conditioner's here. My stove's sitting over there by where the kitchen is. So that's the update for right now. I am sweating like a pig. I probably smell like a goat. But I'm fixing to shut it down, and I'm gonna go to the house. And this is Sunday. I got here at 6 this morning, which was about 30 minutes too early because the sun hadn't come up yet. And it was dark when I was trying to start working. So, but I'm gonna get here now about 6:30 in the morning and work till I can't work in the heat anymore. And I don't want to fall out from heat stroke or anything. And I promise you, it is freaking hot. So I'm gonna work till about 2 when it starts getting over 100 degrees. And I'm gonna go home, rest, come back and do it again. So I got a doctor's appointment tomorrow, and I got some other errands I gotta run. I gotta go get my other scaffold. And I'll be back up here on Tuesday. So thank you guys for being patient, sticking with me. My videos are going to be hit and miss from now to the end of the year. So thank you very much for staying with me, though. As soon as I can get moved up here, I'll get right back on the cars, start getting some stuff darts. So hard I can't talk. Start getting working on some. I got to finish the Riviera, and then I got to get on my 56 and my Blazer. So please like and subscribe. I would appreciate it. And I think the last look, man, I got 75 more to make it to 1,000. So I appreciate you guys. And keep your head up. By God, I'm trying to keep my head up right now. Don't look down yourself. Don't look down on others. Get out there, work on them old rides. Save part of history. Till next time, guys. I'll see you.